Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today I'm here to let you know my thoughts about the August Plus bag. Where do I think they're hiding it? What it might look like. We're also going to go ahead and look at the spoilers for August Plus, which we've already seen these, but I did want to come on here because I have found a few things about why the bag's not being showed and this, that, the other. And when you Google it, there is a bag popping up, but guys, I'm here to tell you that is not the bag. And I got the date of when the bag might be showed. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing round 2 of Ipsy August standard bag spoilers. Well, thank you so much, So Irie. So Irie says, you're on a roll. I love it. Keep them spoilers coming, Mandy. Well, So Irie, honey, I got you, girl. I got you. Anytime I see something, you know I'm putting out a video. And So Irie, I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that 5 seconds, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, you know they have showed the August standard bag and they have showed the August ultimate bag. But where's Plus? Why are they hiding Plus? Well, guys, I decided to research all this stuff and see what we found out. First of all, let me go ahead and show you this. Now, when you Google the August 2020 GlamBag Plus bag, it pulls up this image, and I don't know why it says August of 2020. Guys, this is not the bag. This is one of the past bags. I got this one in my drawer, so no, this is not it. I've seen quite a few comments showing that this is the bag. That this is not the bag, guys. I don't know why they got it as August 2020. It just makes no sense. Now, why are they holding this bag back? I don't know. Guys, the only thing I could figure, and I found this on Reddit, them revamping the Plus subscription. And supposedly now, and guys, take this with a grain of salt, but I did hear that they will be revealing this bag on the 20th. Now, whether that's true or not, I don't know. Now, I did see more comments, or another comment saying that they're supposed to be introducing a new drawstring bag to the Plus. Now, again, I don't know whether that's true or not, but I think they are revamping, like making the Plus bag better. For some reason, I have no idea why, but if you know, I'm going to find out for you anyways. But I did want to get on here and clear that up, that is not the bag that you think it is whenever you do Google it. And supposedly, the bag will be revealed on the 20th. Let me show you what we're getting in the bag. First is the Estate Cosmetics and Bailey Sarian Venus Fling Eyeshadow Palette. Next, we got the Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF of 30. Then we have the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipsticks. Now, there are 3 different shades. There's Feminist, Shiro, and Lady Boss. Next up is the LaRousse Beauty Face Brush Set. Looks like a 4-piece brush set here. And then last but certainly not least is the 111 Skin ATP Cryo Booster. Now, guys, I do want to add this in here. And this is just my opinion, so don't take this as confirmation on the bag or anything. But could it be that they might be doing like something with Bailey in the bag as well? Because Plus is the only one that I see her name in, and I don't know if she had more with Estate Cosmetics or if that was her only product with them. I'll look them up and put them up here if she had anything else. But you know what? That's just an opinion, of course, because it's not Bailey and Ipsy. It's Bailey and Estate. But, I mean, it's just another option. But I think it's true. I think they're trying to revamp the Plus bag, and I think that's all it is. It's just taking a little bit longer. Now, I do think, okay, they got silver for the standard. They got gold for the ultimate. So I'm thinking either a white, like a white pearl holographic bag would make sense, but then again, who knows. If y'all would, let us know down in the comments if you have any info on this. If you don't and you want to just, let's play a game and let's just guess what color we think it's going to be. We know it's probably going to be holographic because the other two are. Let's play a game and just guess and see if anybody gets it right. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, you know Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Is it Simple Ted's? I hope I said that right. Anyway, Simple Ted says spoilers with a little fire emoji. Yes, honey, I'm on fire. And again, every time I see a spoiler, a hint of spoiler, a survey spoiler, a sneak peek, anything, guess what I'm doing? I'm uploading a video and I'm sharing it with my family. That's right, I got y'all covered. Simply Ted's, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.